This is a 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. Nice bike. Yeah, there's nothing bad to say about that. It'd be nice even with a stock car. It sounds really nice. It's a V4, beautiful engine. The brakes are incredible, absolutely incredible. These brakes are, and yeah, just let's show you what's engine sounds like. Absolutely nice. I prefer a different color. I'm not some light colors. So other than that, it's a really good bike actually. Seat height is a bit high for me. Other than that, it's nice. But it's okay. I can manage. It's not a problem. The pegs are high. If you have long legs, then you may struggle. But for me, it's all right. And yeah, what a beautiful bike. Absolutely beautiful. And I think they added the fuel gauge. I think, if I remember correctly, it didn't have fuel gauge before. So now we have fuel gauge, gear indicator, and all that, engine temperature. So it's all good. Yeah.